2020, yeah? This is not a new thing when you think about the speed of things. They sold the first digital dress for nearly $10,000. Fortnite, in 1 month, sold 3.3 million pieces of merch on the game. That's equivalent to about $50 million in Decentraland. I mean, 108,000 unique attendees. Where are you going to get that in a room like this for a fashion show? It's impossible. Roblox has been at the forefront of monetizing fashion, right? They're really, really good at it. 1.6 million and generated 1 million sale of merch. So think about a physical event. There is no way in hell you can get close to this. I'm not sure you've seen, but now Nike is releasing digital sneakers. The Spotify's just launched an island. They launched an island on Roblox. Now they're going to have artists as characters going in there, and you're going to be able to interact with them, and they'll be doing gigs and all kinds of things. Merch. Kids are looking for merch, and they're buying merch by buckloads. How do we transfer this into the physical? So when you buy a digital thingy, how can I get the physical one at home at the same time? The concept of the physical twin. The possibilities around the metaverse and fashion is huge.